This week's power tip comes from Rob at Certified Irrigation Design. Like many land effects users, Rob needed a quick way to place irrigation bubblers for each of his trees in the planting plan. Here is a process that will hopefully boost production time on your next irrigation plan. Start with a planting plan. Take note of what land effects project is loaded, as well as what the drawing units are for this particular plan. Here, we can see the specs for this particular palm tree if I use the Land Effects View Data button. Next, use the Highlight Plant tool to identify an entire group of trees. Within the Highlight Plant tool, notice the subcommand for Highlight Additional Plants. Use the subcommand for Highlight Additional Plants to highlight all similar sized palm trees. And then use the Select Similar command to convert those highlights into an active selection. Using CTRL C or CTRL X on the keyboard, copy these plants. Then open a new drawing. Verify the correct project file is assigned to this new drawing. Then double-check that the units correspond. Now, use the command PASTEORIG. This command will paste the objects copied earlier into the exact same coordinate location of the new drawing. Use the Zoom Extents command to show all content in your drawing. Now, using Land Effects View Data button, I can still see that my plants are correctly associated. The next step is to type the command DELETEALLXDAT at the command line. The command will prompt with a query to select objects. Then draw a window around all plants. Notice now that no data is associated with the blocks in the drawing. Next, place the desired bubbler. In this case, the Rainbird Flood series will work fine. Using the Land Effects Match Properties tool, select the bubbler as a source object and match its properties to the other tree blocks. Land Effects will ask if you would like to automatically apply this change to all blocks. See how the software applies these changes automatically. Do this for all instances of a tree. The final step is to xref in the planting plan. Repeat these steps for the remaining trees, as needed, to quickly place bubblers in your irrigation plan. This has been another power tip provided by you, the user. Bring efficiency to your workflow with Land Effects.